All right, guys, this is Dleads review video, and we're gonna go through the demo. This is actually launching tomorrow. I'm recording this on the 27th of February, so it's launching tomorrow. This is going to be, if you're watching this video a year from now, you're probably going to still want to get this because this is an amazing product for getting quality leads for local business. All like it's got so much in it, guys. You gotta go check out the video. Okay, my name is Glenn Murray. By the way, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe, the notification button. Checking my timing here. All right, so what is Dleads? We're going to go through the demo, guys. Don't worry. But Dleads, unique domain lead generation platform that finds potential clients before your competition. Make $1,000 to $1,500 by selling done-for-you services to new domain owners on autopilot. Done for you meaning like you sell them websites that are already done, guys. Like this is so brilliant. Like it's so brilliant. All right, so Dleads is a powerful tool that streamlines the process of finding potential clients in needs of digital marketing and web development services, providing you with the access to a constantly updated database of old and newly registered domain owners. No more sifting through outdated lists or manually searching for leads. Our system automatically adds new leads on a daily basis, giving you the most up-to-date information all the time. So what does it come with? The front end is $37 for an unlimited version. Is $97. The professional is $67, enterprise $57, local website builder. When you go through the pages, you'll see the upsells. Just read them, watch the video, see if it's for you, or pick up the bundle because you can get the whole thing for the cost of just a couple of the upgrades. Okay, so this is going to get you. It gives you all the contract stuff, everything you're going to need. So let's go through the demo here, and then when the demo's done, I'll talk to it after. All right, cheers.
Welcome to Dleads. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can find red hot, targeted, and pre-qualified leads for your digital marketing agency without running ads, without playing with complicated or useless lead gen softwares. Dleads, again, is super easy, very simple lead generation, lead closing, and lead fulfillment plus tracking application. Once you log in the dashboard, you get a very simple and sleek dashboard that gives you a breakdown of all the leads that you have seen, all the emails that you have sent. We've got find, contact, close, fulfill, and track. Let's start with find. When you click on find, you see two options: newly registered domains and existing websites or existing domain. Newly registered domains are the ones that have been recently, very recently registered. So you click on this, and it's going to take you to a page where you can see all the domains that have been recently registered, name of the person, their email, phone number, domain name, registrar, when it was registered, if there's an address in file, and what city it is. You can also filter them based on when they were registered, what domain registrar, if there's any specific email you're looking for from a specific company. We're registering a bunch of domains recently, certain city, certain state, certain zip code, country, either one of these to help you filter. You can also go into existing website. These are all leads, by the way. Now you go into existing website or existing domains, and you can search for existing domains or new websites based on a keyword. So let's say I want to find plumbers. I want to offer digital marketing services to plumbers in Orlando. You can pretty much type any city in the world and it's going to find it for you. And you click on search. And then what it's going to do is going to go out there and start finding some websites and existing domains in Orlando from plumbers, and you'll find their name, their contact number, their email. You can preview their website and their domain. You can see if it's mobile responsive, does it have WordPress or not. So based on that, you can you also get a bit of a preview of all their websites. If you click on it, you can see how outdated it is, and they would definitely be happy to pay you to build their new website. You can favorite these contacts. The moment you favorite these contacts, you can come back and always search them in the contact section. But you get all these details super easy. Let's go back here and let's select some of the domains that we think are good for us. So I want to go for this one, this one, this one, this one. Right now, if I scroll down all the way to the end, I can create a new project. So I click on create new project, give it a name, and I save it. Once I've done that, I'm here in a page for contacts. Now what I can do is I can drip feed and contact all these leads that I just selected, all the 4 leads. I can select hundreds of leads. And then right over here, I can pick from multiple different email templates that have been pre-written for me. You'll have access to a ton more templates than these. Everything is added, all the emails are done for you. Now, the moment I click on send and give it a name, the moment I give it a name and click on send, it's going to send this email to all these 4 leads automatic. But if I want to customize a little bit more, what I can do is I can open the campaign designer. I can click on plus, and then what I can do is add a new email. Let's say this one, save it. Now this will be the first email that's going to be sent out. Now based on how my lead interacts with this email, I can send them on a different email. So what I can do is I can send them an email 1 hour after sending this first email, or I can send them an email 3 days after they open the first email, or after they clicked on the link in the first email. And then I can choose whatever email I want to send. I can fully change it. I can write the email myself using all these tags and click on save. So what's going to happen once they get this email and they open it after 3 days, and if they click something on it after 3 days, they will get this email. And then again, I can customize again. After 5 minutes of opening the second email, I'm going to send them this email. I'm going to save this. So first email, if they click the link in it after 3 days, we're going to send them an email, which is this one. And if they open this email after 5 minutes, we're going to send them this email. So you can build a campaign any way you want. And once you do that, all you do is click on launch campaign, and the campaign is launched. It's going to start sending out emails to all these 4 leads that you had selected. Pretty neat, pretty super easy, and there's not much for you to do. Now if you go to saved contacts over here, you can see all the contacts based on the campaigns that you created. So we created a test campaign recently. So right here you can see all these 4 contacts, all these leads, newly registered leads that you picked up. Now if you scroll all the way to the right side, you can call these leads, and you have scripts for each of these leads. So when you call them right from your desktop, so if I click on call button, it's going to put in their phone number, this one, and it'll let you call right from your desktop. Now when you call them, you click on script, and you can read the script the way it is. So you don't have to be nervous or clueless of what kind of script or what you need to talk to them. You can just follow the script and use it. And then what you can do is, once you close the lead, once you finish the call, you can click on landing page. And what this is going to do, it's going to create a custom landing page of your agency. You can customize all of this, and you can send this link to your lead, which will give them a breakdown of why your agency is better and best suited for their custom website design, website development, e-commerce, content management, search engine optimizer, everything. And then right on this landing page, they can buy your services and get paid. And of course, you can fully customize this landing page and change whatever you want. And then you can also click on send email, and you can send them one of the email based on the templates that we have, or you can just customize, write your own email and send them email right from here. Same thing you can do with the existing website domains that you picked right from here. So on the existing website, you find these new domains, your plumber domains, you favorite them, and they will all show up here. You can do the same thing with them. You can call them, close them, and you also get details about their responsiveness and websites because they already have an existing website ready. You also have option for closing, where you can convert all these leads into Facebook custom audience, so you can start targeting on Facebook. We also give you custom ready-made ads that you can copy, paste, and run ads to them. We also give you option to download the cold calling script, or you can upload your own cold calling scripts right over here. You can download all the emails that we added, or you can upload more email templates if you want, and we have ready-made proposals, web design, web development proposals for you. But of course, you can sell any additional marketing service for them. Now let's say you close one of these leads. So what you can do is come here, and we give you access to tons of niches with ready-made websites for you. So let's say your client is accounting and tax consultant. So website client C, and we click on launch builder, and this is going to give you access to a ready-made website for accounting and tax. And you can replace this image as a logo, you can change all this text, you can add more stuff, you can change the images, you can change all this address, add a footer. Super easy to customize. Everything is drag and drop and pre-created for you. You don't have to do anything. Once done, you can save it. Once it's saved, you can click on export, so you can download this website, and then you can send the downloaded website to your client, or publish it on a cPanel for you. You can download this website right over here, and once you're done, just go back. The website is saved for you. You can come back always and edit it, modify it, do whatever you want to do. That's it. And then you go back to track section, where you can track, access, and details about your campaigns that you just created for contacting. So that's how Dleads works. Super easy, super cool. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you.
Come on, does that not blow your mind? Like, just stop and think about how easy that is to do, right? Like, that is so incredibly easy. So if you don't understand the concept, guys, it's basically, you could potentially have a payment in your pocket in about 15 minutes. You go find 10 websites in your city of plumbers, right? Send them out 10 emails. They answer. You have a website. You want a new website, whatever it is, right? And now you don't have to go outsource that website. You've got the ability to do it right there. It's got follow-up emails. It's got the script for you to use in order to sell. Like it doesn't get any easier to do this. You don't have to have any techie skills at all. Like, you just have to follow the steps, and it builds websites. Like, it blows my mind, guys. Blows my mind. All right, what are the bonuses? I'm giving you the Access SEO Studio. So this is where you learn about meta tags, and this is really important because you can actually talk a little bit of the lingo. You don't need to know a lot of the lingo. You just need to know a little bit more than your client. You've got your headline, the hacks, right? So when you're going in there and customizing in the pages, you will learn how to create better headlines for those articles. You got the email marketing. These are 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. Definitely what you want to be getting. I don't know why this is saying easy profit pages. I think maybe I've grabbed the wrong. These are the bonuses. Yeah. Anyways, I'll get this bonus page cleaned up. I don't know why it's saying that. And then excess timeless traffic. I'm going to show you how to get traffic, endless traffic. And then all the vendor bonuses, which they've put, Abby's put a ton of bonuses together for you. So let's go back to the top here. Why is this like that? Let me see if I reload it here. Yeah, I don't know why those are in there. Anyways. Those should have been updated. Weird. All right, guys. That's what I have for you. Oh, wait. I'm going to jump on here. I'm confused. My wife wants to go for lunch, so I need to get finished here. All right, so what do I think of Dleads? This is going to sell a ton of copies, guys. As I've been saying, you've seen it. Go here. AI is doing so much work for us, and this one, Abby is so smart when he puts these programs together. He thinks of everything. There's nothing left out. He thinks of everything that you need for it. So I would go grab it, grab the bundle. Definitely, I'll put a link below. There's going to be the front end if you just want to pick up the $37 front end, but get it. But if you just want to dabble in it, but really get the bundle, because you're going to be able to do so much more with it. And then if let's say this isn't for you, that's like Glenn, I don't want to deal with people, then go check out my link to what's my best business. I think the best business online is. Check that out. Message me. Anyway, just get started, guys. You got to start somewhere. Another thing about starting out doing some of this agency stuff, it really gets your feet wet for working online, dealing with some people, because even when you're doing affiliate marketing, you kind of have to deal with people. You can do launch jacking like I do, making just review videos, go for it. But if you're going to make other income, which we all have side gigs, if you just look at the last video here, auto voice profits, side gig, it's about being able to do voiceover. This is going to teach you guys so much. All right, guys. So click the link below, grab the bundle. If not, check out my #1 recommended business, and make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.